Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new, welcome, and please make sure to subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back. And today we are feeling a little bit childish. So you see me with these pussycats here. I'm thinking of doing like a pink makeup look today. Everything pink, my background is pink. I think things are going to be really intense, but I'm really excited to do this video. And without wasting any much time, let's just get right into it. So guys, I did my eyebrows off camera because if I did them on camera, I would take 3/4 of this video and we wouldn't want that. So I just did them, and you guys, I feel like everyone has that part of their face that they really hate doing, and for me, I really hate doing my eyebrows, you guys. Like every time I do my eyebrows, there's something dramatic that's always going on. Like you can even you can notice what's going on here. I really hate doing my eyebrows, you guys. But back to doing our makeup. I'm going to be using my primer. This is a homemade primer. I just made it at home. And I'm going to put some on my eyes. I'm going to blend that out. I like using the tips because when I'm done, I get like a clean look out of it. So don't be surprised. Then I'm just blending that out using my phone. And then after doing that, I'm just going to let it sit in for like a few seconds, and then I'm going to do my eyeshadow. And today I'm going to be using this palette. Actually, I'm going to be using a lot of palettes today. Yeah. So I'm going to use this brush on my crease. I know it's not supposed to be used on the crease, but it's dirty. I used it to powder my eyebrows, so I don't want to get all my brushes dirty, so I'm just going to be using this one. And I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, and for the upper part above my crease, I'm going to be taking this lighter shade, this light pink shade. I don't know if you can see it, you guys. This one. And I'm just going to apply it here on top of my crease using fading, swirling motion, so that I can get like a faded effect out of it. You guys really can't see it because it's really a light pink shade, and my camera is also some problem, but it's like this color over here. You can notice there's like a difference. So yeah. And then after doing that, you guys, I'm going to be taking this kind of a brush. It has like a tinted, or what is it? Like a sharp corner somewhere. So I'm going to be using to apply this pink shade. It's kind of a dark pink shade on my crease, using this tip over here. You guys really can't see it, but I can. I'm going to take like a good picture of it, and then I'm going to be posting it somewhere on top here, somewhere in the video, so you guys can really see what's going on, because my camera isn't as clear. And then after this step, I'm going to be taking my black pencil, this one, and I'm going to be using it on the outer corners, on the outer V, like, I'm going to do this. You know, I'm not really good at explaining myself. Then I'm just going to apply some, just like a little amount, because you know, if you mess with black and things go bad, everything goes bad. So just need to blend it with my hand. And then you guys, after doing that, I'm going to be taking like a color that's near black. I'm guessing this one. And I'm going to just pat it over here so that it can really darken it, but not as much. And then you guys, using my finger, I'm going to be taking this pink shade over here. I really don't know if you guys can see it, this one. And I'm just going to put it like over here. Guys, when I was little, my favorite color was pink. Like, pink was everything to me, you don't even understand. Right now I'm not even sure what color is my favorite. I don't hate pink, but I'm also not sure what color I like better right now. Moving on to the liner, and I'm going to be using liquid eyeliner. Yeah. So guys, my liner is done, and I'm going to now line my waterline using my eye pencil. And then I'm going to move on to my mascara. This mascara has like a lot of product in it, so basically what I do is just coat my lashes with the product, and then I use a wand that doesn't have a lot of product in it. So now you guys, I'm going to highlight my inner corners using this pencil brush, and yeah. Guys, now that my inner corners are done, I'm going to get rid of the sellotape, and we're going to get to doing my face. Oh my god, you guys, it's so painful. Oh my god, let me try it from this angle. Oh. You guys, I'm literally tearing up. Oh my god, you don't even understand. And I'm now going to be using my primer, and I'm going to be applying some on my face. Then I'm going to let that dry, and as it dries I'm going to be taking my foundation and I'm going to dampen my beauty blender using some water. Then now that my primer has dried, I'm going to put some on my face, some foundation, and this side. I'm going to blend that out in my face. Guys, now that my foundation is done, I'm going to be applying my concealer, and I'm just going to be putting a little of it because it's really thick. And then I'm going to be taking my contour. And then I'm just going to blend that out. So dampening my blender. And guys, after blending out my concealer, I'm just going to blend out my contour. You guys, please understand me. I'm in a hurry because my phone storage is really low, so it's just going to cut this video in a few minutes, so I really have to hurry up. Yeah. Guys, now that my contour is done, I'm going to be setting my concealer because it's just about to crease up. And don't worry about the light, the sun is just setting, so there's really not much I can do about it. And I'm just going to take some and just put it on. I'm just going to be using this brush because this one is really thick for me. Then now that's done, I'm going to be doing my lips, and I'm going to be applying a pink color, and basically I'm just going to line this part of my lip. You guys, I'm really sorry about the light. I really can't do it. And then I'm going to put on this pink lipstick, some blush, then some highlighter, setting spray, and that's pretty it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.